Okay, someone asked me how can they see their help loan progress. Once you've submitted your help loan, you need to log into your portal. Then, so you search for hef.co.ke or simply HEF portal, for example, this one. Then the first link will take you to your help portal, that is portal.hef.co.ke. So you click on that. Now you will see this login dashboard. This is the where you will be using your ID as well as your password. I'm going to use this account, and you can see the email is there and the password has been set. So I'm going to click on login. Then I will be redirected to this page. You can see from this other end we have the dashboard, my account, message, we have loan application, my profile, updating institution details. So nowadays you can update your institution details. For example, if you applied for transfer, you will see somewhere to update your details. So I'm going to click on dashboard. Then I'm going to show how you can see the help progress. So when you've submitted your help loan, you will see this one, profile will be 100%. Then when you click on, so you can see the product will be available here for undergraduate loans. So you can see this one is a subsequent student, and for this cannot be displayed in this account. Now to see your help loan progress, you need to click on this first link here, that is my loan or scholarship. Yes, so this is where you will see all your loans. For example, this first year you can see the student secured this loan amounting to that. For this one you can see my loans, then status. So you can see this one has been allocated and the serial number is that, so not yet received a batch number. Then this one, disbursement in progress. So you can see it has been allocated but it has not been paid. So when I click on that one, you can see the loan has been successfully allocated. Then loan award, that is if you want to print your allocation printout document. So that is how you can see for those who applied for first time loan, especially those joining university this year. So when you click on these loans, maybe you see the progress has not been updated, so you be patient and wait. Then you will see when you are verified, then you will see what you've been allocated, then as well your scholarship. So for those who apply this year for first time, please be patient and keep checking on these loans and scholarship to see if the progress has been updated. So make sure you confirm that your application has been successfully submitted, so that you be sure that the progress will be moving to the next one. So that is it for today. Please make sure to give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video.